If you're a do-it-yourselfer at automobile repair, chances are you've seen a lot of parts made by a manufacturer called Detroit Axle. Well, I've tried some of these parts and frankly they do not hold up. So I'm going to replace the parts again with good quality Moog parts. Now what I'm talking about is the tie rod end. This is a Detroit Axle tie rod end. I replaced the originals on this vehicle January 7th of this year. Today it is April 10th. And these are totally busted. When I go over bumps, there's all kinds of rattles in the front end again, just like it happened when I replaced the originals. So I'll zoom in, I'll show you this one. We're going to go ahead and replace it. When I take the wheel off, you can actually see the axle and everything moving. So if you want to waste your money on Detroit Axle parts, you go right ahead. They only last about 2 months and that's about it. This is the tie rod end we're going to be replacing. I've already replaced it off the other side. If you want to take a look at it, that's only about 4 months old. January 7th to April 10th. Look how loose it is. It's no wonder I was getting all that clunking noise out of the front end again. So here's the Detroit Axle tie rod end from the driver's side. Loose and sloppy as all get out. Well, here's the one from the passenger side. Well, this one I can't even move. It's like totally seized. Reinstall our Moog tie rod end and it should spin on nice and easy. Now in my opinion, Detroit Axle parts do not last very long at all. Only a couple months. Now in my opinion, I'd rather spend a little bit more money up front, replace them once, and be done with it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.